Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Osterberger with BIC Magazine. We're here at the API Inspection Summit. I'm joined with Justin Bradley with Team Industrial Services. Justin's on the AIM group of team, right? Asset Integrity Management. Justin, give us a little overview of AIM and all the services you guys provide.
So team, we're really widely known for our mechanical services, which is where we started. Line intervention, hot taps, leak detection and repair, those things. A lot of people know us from that. But we have another side of the company, which is inspection. So we do all kinds of integrity inspections for facilities in all different industries, non-destructive testing, visual inspections, API-related inspections, advanced NDT as well in all of that. Our engineering group, we provide services for fitness for service, engineering analysis for pressure equipment of all various types, risk-based inspection. We really do a lot of different things within team. And that's what a lot of folks don't understand about team, is we are a very broad provider of services. We pride ourselves on being a solutions provider, and that covers just a myriad of different technologies, specialties, lots of different types of labor forces throughout the world, and we are a worldwide company. So we have a breadth of services that we offer, and that's really what we're trying to push here at the summit this year.
Let's dig into that, Justin. Talk about some of those services related to inspections and mechanical integrity that really fall underneath that AIM group.
So we have approximately 500 API certified inspectors within the company. Most of those are nested employees at client sites. So within our asset integrity group, we have a smaller group of inspectors who really are mobile. We call them our flying squads. They drop in where needed, when necessary, to do different projects. Also within that AIM group, again, is our engineering services to do the analysis and those types of things with the equipment that we inspect. Furthermore, as the tools that we see here in our booth, we're really getting into a lot of the remote visual access technologies with drones and crawlers, and really we see a big need of that in the industry, primarily for safety's sake. A lot of our clients are trying to move away from confined space entry with people just to keep people safe. So our drones allow us to get visual inspections. Our crawlers allow us to get visual inspections without putting people in harm's way.
Makes sense. Well, Justin, we appreciate so much for your time, and thanks for having BIC Magazine in the booth here at API.
Absolutely. Thanks for all you guys do for our industry, and I appreciate you guys coming by.
Thank you.